Today I'm going to teach you how to shorten URLs in Google Sheets. If you're working with long web addresses in your spreadsheets, shortening them can make your data cleaner and easier to share. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your available files and documents. Locate and click on the specific spreadsheet where you want to shorten your URLs. This will open up the sheet and prepare it for the next steps. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look toward the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your Google Sheets functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type Advanced URL Shortener and hit Enter. You'll see the add-on appear in the results. Click on it to view more details about what it does and how it works. Once you're ready, click the Install button to begin adding this tool to your Google Sheets. A prompt will appear asking you to continue and log in to grant the necessary permissions. Click Continue and you'll be taken to a permissions screen. Here you need to check all the checkboxes to allow the add-on full access to function properly. After checking all the boxes, click Continue again to proceed with the installation. Now be patient while the installation completes. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this might take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, you can safely close the installation window. Head back to the top menu bar and click on Extensions once more. This time locate Advanced URL Shortener from the list and hover over it. Then click Start to activate the add-on. This launches the tool within your current spreadsheet. Give it a moment as the add-on loads and appears on the right side of your screen. Sometimes this can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Just wait until the panel fully loads on the right. Now comes the action. Click on the cell containing the URL you want to shorten. With the cell selected, turn your attention to the Advanced URL Shortener panel on the right side. Click the Process button. This tells the add-on to take the long URL and convert it into a shortened version. Wait patiently while the process completes. The add-on will work in the background to generate a shorter link for you. Once it's done, you'll notice that the URL in your selected cell has been replaced with a much shorter version. And that's it. You've successfully shortened a URL in Google Sheets using the Advanced URL Shortener add-on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.